is a teacher.
My family. Hello, I am Mubashira. Hello, I am Arab. I am a student. I am in class 3. There are 4 members in my family. My father, Mr. Anisur Rahman, is a government officer.
My father, Mr. Anisur Rahman, is a government officer. Again, you tell.
My father, Mr. Anisur Rahman, is a government officer.
Is a government officer.
My father, Mr. Shukr Rahman, is a teacher.
My father, Mr. Shukr Rahman, is a teacher. Again, you tell.
My father, Mr.
My father, Mr. Shukr Rahman, is a teacher. Is a teacher.
My mother, Mrs. Sajjata, is a housewife. My mother, Mrs. Begum,
Is a
housewife.
housewife.
My brother is only 1 year old. My brother is only 3 years old.
Well done.